Introducing version 2 of my cocktail table for Burning Man. And this one is a lot more sturdy than that one was. I went to 1-inch EMT legs instead of the 1/2 inch, and they have far less flex. This thing feels pretty solid. You can lean up against it quite nicely, and it doesn't start flexing its legs and moving away from you or leaning to one side or the other. It's also going to be easier to build as opposed to this rather complicated collar that was circular and had 3 oval holes drilled in it with bolts through there and eye screws and a tie going up to hold the tabletop down under the legs. This one just has a simple triangular block with bolts into it, and the legs are held at the top with one little screw which goes through the inner edge of the leg into the top surface of the table, and should be pretty easy to put it together, take it apart. The screws sit down in little indentations that I machine into the bottom of the wood, so they don't stick out. Even when they're in there, they don't stick out past the bottom surface of this, so I can stack all the tops together without having the screws make it look weird or maybe not sit properly or gouge each other up or whatever. So I think it will be real easy to build the actual ones and simple to put together and stow away after the burn. So here's to success.